I brought in 3 Pulsar thermals. One of them has seen better days. It's 8 years old, had a lot of use in all types of weather conditions, and a few parts have been worn and not working anymore. They've been replaced and look as good as anything now. Thomas Jacks have done a great job on it. Service has been good, got a long warranty on them, get looked after. So yeah, I would.
New radiator, new lens cap, new button box, new eye cut, new hand strap, lenses clean, back up to new condition.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your patience.
Thank you very much.
Take care.
Thank you.